Okay, here's a really basic Blender question that always seems to bother me. I want to have cuts in this area of my model, but you know, subdividing, if I just subdivide this, then there will be triangles all over the place. So how would you guys handle a situation in which you need to cut this into smaller pieces? Do I have to do loop cuts here that cut my whole geometry? Is that the recommended way, or is there some better way to because the end result, what I want to do is to extrude these parts out. So the next thing would be extruding something like this. Out from the mesh.